Meaning of impart.
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 Impart. The word impart means to share or convey information, knowledge, or something tangible to others. It involves the act of giving or transmitting something to another person or group. When we impart our wisdom or skills to others, we are essentially helping them to grow and improve in their respective areas. The result of imparting knowledge can be valuable to both the giver and the receiver. It can lead to personal growth, career advancement, and enhance overall relationships. Therefore, imparting knowledge is an important component of education and human development.